Hello all. Today I am at Wedtree, T Nagar, Chennai. As festival season is quickly approaching, we have curated a lot of unique products for puja utilities, gift packs and return gifts. I thought I will give you a quick walkthrough of what are the new arrivals at Wedtree. I have with me Shweta, Director at Wedtree. Together we will take you through all the new arrivals for the upcoming festival season. Hi Brinda. Hello everybody. This is Shweta. We have curated a lot of new products for this upcoming festive season, starting with Varamahalakshmi, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami and Ganesh Chaturthi. We are running a flat 10% discount store-wide and online as well. You can log on to www.wedtree.com to take a look at our entire product range, and also we'll be excited to see you at our store located at Thanikachalam Road, T Nagar, Chennai. Now let's get started. This Varamahalakshmi Vratham, we have done some very exclusive curation of puja utilities, gift packs and return gifts for your near and dear ones. In puja utilities, we have wide variety of products starting with diyas, manai, kalash, trays and much more. These products come in 3 different finishes starting with brass, German silver and meenakari. We have done a small setup to give you a glimpse of how you could deck up your home this Varamahalakshmi. For this Varamahalakshmi Vratham, we have some very exclusive gift packs, 2 in German silver and 1 in brass. The first one is this basic Puja Kit that has a lovely face of Lakshmi Devi along with a small Puja Thali that has a plate, 2 cups for Haldi Kumkum, 1 Agarbatti stand and a diya. This also has a lovely Tulsi Madam in German silver, a small bell and a Lakshmi Ganesha coin for puja. This also has a glass in German silver for Anna Prasadam offerings for the Amman. This kit also has a Puja Vidhanam book that contains the full slokas for this Varamahalakshmi Vratham. This kit also has agarbatti sticks and dhoop sticks. This entire set is priced at 2,799, a perfect gift for a starter or for someone to do puja at home or for the newlyweds. The next one is this premium kit in German silver that comes with beautiful Devi face, a bigger puja thali set that comes with plate, diya, stand for haldi kumkum, a prasadam bowl, 108 flowers and a beautiful mala in German silver. This also comes with incense stick and cones and a Puja Vidhanam book. This beautiful premium pack is priced at 3,799. The final gift pack is this beautiful kit that comes in complete brass finish. This comes with a Devi face like this, a beautiful brass tray, a 6-inch Kerala diya, a prasadam bowl, agarbatti stand, haldi kumkum box and then 108 flowers and the mala. This also has incense sticks and cones that's completely organic. This gift pack is priced at 4,799. With this, we will now move on to the return gift options that we have for this Varalakshmi Vratham. Wedtree has a unique range of return gift options with over 2,000 plus products to choose from. Wedtree has an exclusive curation of return gifts starting from 20 rupees and it goes up to 2,000. This time for this Varamahalakshmi Vratham, we have curated some very pretty combo kits that comes with a return gift, a favor bag and an add-on. Now let's take a glimpse of few of the return gift combos that we have curated specially for this Varamahalakshmi Vratham. Here is a utility return gift, a meenakari dabba that comes with lotus print at the center. This comes in a very classy pastel shade and is a perfect utility return gift to your guests. We could also add a murti and a blouse bit combo that has both haldi, kumkum and a blouse bit. This can be presented together in a beautiful favor bag like this. You can make your own combos like this with our huge range of return gift options based on your budget and requirement. I hope now you have a fair idea of what you can expect from our store for this festival season. We welcome you all to visit our store, which is located at Thanikachalam Road, T Nagar, Chennai, opposite to Hotel Matsya. Flat 10% discount is available store-wide and online as well. You can shop for all these beautiful products online at www.wedtree.com. We undertake both domestic and international shipping. Great news for Chennai customers.
If you stay within 10 kilometer radius of our T Nagar store, then we provide same day delivery if you place the order before 3 p.m.
Thank you for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.